So number 3, solve the simultaneous equations. All right, fair enough. For these kind of pairs, you'll realize you get a linear term here and then quadratic term. My tip is to always make from the linear equation, the first one, y the subject or x subject. The reason why we should choose y this time, because if you look at the second part of the equation, you got 2 terms of x's, but only 1 term of y. It's better you make y the subject so you have less things to work with. Okay. Anyways, doing so, you just throw 4x plus 1 to the other side, so they become negative versions. And then substitute this one into y squared here, so you're going to get minus 4x minus 1 all to the power of 2, because it's squared. And then you copy out the rest of the equation like normal. Now be careful how you expand this one. Remember, this one means there's 2 brackets, so it's minus 4x minus 1 times minus 4x minus 1. So then you times every single term in that double bracket carefully to get 16x squared plus 8x plus 1. And then copy the rest of the term and then collect in like terms to get these kind of terms. And then to make your life easy, you could use you could factorize, but I just put this straight into the quadratic formula because it's easy. So picking your a, b, and c, which is 21, 10, and c, plug into the formula carefully, and then you should get these x values, which is minus 1 over 7 and minus 1 over 3. And then remember, for quadratic, for at least these simultaneous equations, you must also find the y values. And thankfully, from equation 1, you've already made a y equation. So just plug in these x values for the y equation here. So you get minus 4 times minus 1 over 7. Minus 1, you should get minus 3 over 7. And plug your other x value, you should get a third. And that's it, guys. That's literally 3 done as well.